Hello, I'd like to welcome you to the best aviation college this side of Newfoundland, the NSCC Aviation Institute. We are proud to offer an extensive avionics, mechanical, and structures program that offers 1- and 2-year programs to suit everyone's needs. As you can see, we have more than a dozen aircrafts in our facilities to cater to each one of our courses that we offer. What you don't see is our amazing facility, faculty, and equipment that will prepare you for a winning career in the aviation field. My colleagues and I have put together a 3-part series that will show you some of the systems and testing procedures that you will learn here at NSCC. When you sign up for one of our programs, you will be joining an elite crew of men and women that keep these state-of-the-art machines in the air and have a career that you can be proud of. In the first video, we will show you how the instruments and technologies are evolving. We'll start by looking at a system called EFIS, which stands for Electronic Flight Instrumentation System. In the other videos, you will see how a pedostatic lead check is done, and you will see how flight data and cockpit recorders work. Hope you enjoy.
What do all the various planes you have just seen have in common? They all rely upon the EFIS system for their daily procedures. In the following video, we plan to show you how the EFIS system evolved into what it is today and how we can use it to better our aircraft and our pilots' jobs. EFIS systems are employed in all types of aircraft nowadays, from the personal single-prop airplanes, big jumbo jets for airliners, and even to fighter planes for the Air Force.
This is a basic EFIS system block diagram. Although it may look complicated, it actually simplifies the pilot's jobs by combining various systems into 3 to 6 CRT or LCD screens. This has the advantage of reducing the pilot's skin area and letting the pilot see flight critical data at a glance. The screens that comprise your EFIS system are PFD, MFD, and ICAS. Let's take a look at how hectic the pilot's job was before the implementation of EFIS.
Yeah, we're going to do our pre-start checklist. Parking brake, set.
Check.
Throttle, idle.
Throttle idle. Check.
Landing gear lever, check down.
Check.
Down, check. Avionics master switch, off.
Master switch off.
Flaps up.
Flaps up. Check.
Propeller, high ram, high RPM.
High RPM.
Yep.
Check.
Fuel condition lever. Fuel cutoff. Check. Battery switch, on.
Check.
Panel lights, on.
Check.
Check. Fuel quantity.
Check.
Flight controls.
Check.
Check. Avionics master switch on.
Check.
Check weather.
Check.
Anti-ice equipment test check.
Check.
Request clearance.
Charlie Bravo 90, Bakery Tower, requesting clearance for takeoff. Over.
Charlie Bravo 90, cleared for takeoff. Good day.
Check.
Transponder, stand by. Beacon on.
Beacon on.
Startup checklist. Engine propeller area clear.
Clear.
Clear. Throttle idle.
Throttle idle. Check.
Fuel flow on.
Fuel flow is on.
Right ignition engine start switch
Right
on.
ignition. Start switch on.
Hold until engine starts.
Hold till engine starts.
Check.
Check.
Right ITT monitor.
Right IT monitor. Yeah. Check.
Right fuel pressure low annunciator extinguished. Check.
Check.
Right oil pressure low annunciator. Check. Right oil pressure. Check. Left ignition and engine startup switch, hold until engine starts.
That's ignition switch. Hold, start.
Left ITT, monitor. Check.
Check.
Left fuel pressure, low annunciator. Check. Left oil pressure, low annunciator.
Yeah, check.
Check. Left oil pressure. Check. Feather, unfeather props.
Check.
Engine instruments, check.
Check.
Good.
Let's fly.
Yeah, SciCast systems have been changed over the years because the old way was engine gauges had been incorporated into one screen like LCDs. For prior to EFIS systems, there were many gauges all over the cockpit. It was difficult to monitor all the gauges, but now the EFIS systems have an ICAS control panel to switch between synoptic pages. Like they have hydraulics, which gives you quantity and pressure. Also have engine parameters like EPR, NI, N1s, EG2, oil pressure, oil temperature, oil quantity, high pressure, vibration. We also have APUs for generators, batteries, external power. As you can see, all these synoptic pages give you information like flight controls, flaps, nose gear, steering, rudder, ailerons, spoilers. You can also check your fuel quantity and cross-feed valves so you know if a valve is open or closed. Fuel temperature, doors, whether they're open or closed, cabin pressure, temperatures, air conditioning, security checklists. All these things incorporated into separate screens that they can flash in front of you. They don't have to look all over for smaller gauges.
This is a PFD display. It shows 6 different instruments all incorporated into one unit. You get your added weight savings as long with everything you'll need is directly in front of you. You don't have to scan around your dash and look for it. If you can physically remove the unit so you can see your gyros built internally. That's one of your biggest weight savings there. If you see when you twist, you can see the different movement of the aircraft. You can see your pitch, your roll. You can show your airspeed. It'll show your attitude. You got the compass on the bottom for your direction. All your barometric pressure. And it's good for diagnostic procedures also. This is a virtually set-up cockpit of the older style. This consists of an airspeed indicator, your ADI unit, your altimeter, a turn and bank indicator, your HSI, and your VSI. As you can see, the instruments do take up a little bit of room in the cockpit. That's number one why you get your weight savings alone, as all these instruments are very, very heavy compared to the new electronic equipment. Now, along with this, the new EFIS system saves weight, reduces your pilot scan time, trying to find all your indicators. It increases the efficiency of the flight and performance, and reduces maintenance for the maintenance crew.
We hope from this video you were able to see the benefits of installing the EFIS system in your aircraft. From the great reductions in size and weight to the reduction in maintenance time, the EFIS system offers a complete package that any pilot or AMO can see the benefits of. We know that from rapidly developing technologies, the EFIS system will continue to evolve into a more complete and comprehensive system, and the sky's the limit when it comes to their boundless potential.
Space, the final frontier. These are the voyages of the starship Enterprise. Its 5-year mission, to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new life and new civilizations, to boldly go where no man has gone before.